today are omega-3. I got 9 large white eggs, and we have 2 medium eggs. Now, one person suggested leaving them sit in vinegar for half an hour. There's supposed to be some film on the egg. Another person suggested giving them a rinse. So we're going to rinse these 4 under cold water, and these need to sit for about another 5 minutes, and then we'll get them on the smoker. 4 eggs all rinsed off, and they're ready to hit the smoker. To keep track of our temperature, we got our Maverick Ready Check ET732 hooked up. To keep track of the time, I'm going to be using my iPod. We'll put the timer on and let it run. So, let's go get them on the smoker. To smoke the eggs, we're going to be using our Napoleon Apollo water smoker. Just like a Weber WSM, just with a different name on it. Okay, she's smoking pretty good. The 4 eggs that have been washed with water, I'm going to put on the right side here. Non-washed ones will go on the left. And I'll go get the 2 in the vinegar. Get the timer started. And Maverick Ready Check's reading at 171. It's because we had the lid off, so let it get back up to around 225. 28.5 minutes in. Smoker's sitting at 214. Let's go take a peek and grab the first egg. Crack her open. Pull off the middle one here. Has not been washed. Get the lid back on. Crack it open. This has only been half an hour. I don't think it's going to look too good. But let's see. Ooh. That's half an hour in. Not too bad, actually. I thought it was going to be a lot worse. 35 minutes in. This is 1 large egg that was washed with water. This one was one of the medium eggs that was soaking in the vinegar. Yeah, she's cooked. Did the vinegar make a difference? Have to peel a good little piece off and take a bite, but let's check this one out. Again, this is a large egg, 45 minutes. She's pretty cooked. Keep on going. 1 hour into the cook. This is a medium egg that's soaked in vinegar. I went out and cracked the shell after half an hour. And they're getting harder to peel. Skin's sticking to the shell pretty good. We'll dump a couple in some ice water. And that's looking good. This is large egg, washed. Looks cooked to me. This is a large unwashed egg, and after half an hour went out and cracked the shell. Try and get a little bit more smoke flavor in there. Just take a taste here. A little bit, but it's not strong. Again, the middle's cooked, so keep on going. Do a little close-up, take a peek. These are the ones that came off before. And that's the half an hour egg. An hour and 15 minutes in. This is a normal egg. Didn't wash it, didn't do anything, so looking pretty good there. Hour and 15 minutes. It's getting hot. An hour and a half into the test. This is 1 large washed white egg. The shell was cracked around half an hour into the cook. I think this is going to be the way most people are going to want to go with this one. Nice cooked. Hour and 45 minutes in, just took this one off. Normal egg, didn't wash it. Started to crack a little bit, but should get them pretty cooked in there. 2 hours into the cook, this egg was just washed with water. Let's take a peek. Whew. Two 2 hours and 15 minutes on the grill. This egg was washed and the shell was cracked after half an hour. That's really cooked in there. There's no type of smoke ring or anything. Let's go down the line and have a peek at the eggs. Now the colors change because they've been sitting out for so long. That's half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour and 15 minutes, 1.5 hours. We got 1:45, 2 hours, 2 hours, 15 minutes.